Attorney, first of all, thank you. Taga Las Piñas po ako and I have a lot of friends here in Parañaque too. And thanks for coming. So ang gusto po namin malaman is, this is about good governance, right? So how is this related to the Parañaque people?
Well, everyone needs good governance, not only here in the city of Parañaque, but in our entire country. At ang kailangan natin ng klaseng good governance, dapat from the lowest, from our barangay level, up to the highest, up to the national level. Kaya sa palagay ko, lahat ng mga taga-Parañaque ay talagang dapat makialam pagdating sa issue ng governance. Dapat po lahat tayo ay manawagan kung nakikita natin na hindi maayos yung pamamahala, whether it's in the local level or national level.
Kilala ko po si Arlene. It seems na paborito kayo dito.
Ay, gano'n ba? Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga Parakenyo at Parakenyo.
Sir, any plans? Kasi may nagsasabi na you are going to run again, but we are not sure. Ano po yung plano nyo?
Well, yesterday I was nominated by the Akbayan to be the first nominee sa kanilang party list. And I accepted the nomination.
Okay. So, di ba nagkaroon yung problema sa Akbayan? I mean, hindi sila nakaupo. And then ngayon, ang Supreme Court na-proclaim na sila. So, it seems that this is going to be a sure ball for you.
Hindi natin pwedeng sabihin yun. Talagang kailangan na we must really go through the process and do our best para mangyari po yan.
Siyempre, mga tao, ang gusto nila good governance. So, what's your message to them? Para, siyempre, kailangan kasi ng number of votes di ba? Para makaupo. So, what's your message to the people?
Ang kailangan po natin ay yung mga leader na maglilingkod at hindi yung mga pinaglilingkodan lang po. At sana lahat-lahat tayo ay talagang mamili ng mga kandidato na talagang mag-sisilbi sa bayan.
So, pag nakaupo na kayo sa Congress, ano po yung inyong priority bills?
Tulad ng nabanggit ko kanina, ay edukasyon ay isang napakalaking crisis natin ngayon na dapat tugunan ng mga mababatas. At of course, healthcare, nutrition, better jobs, at better justice.
You know what? One more thing, sir. You look better this time. You look healthier than the previous day.
Thank you.
Previous day. Diba? Tama, di ba? Oh. Any question?
Okay na yun.
Sir, picture na lang po. Okay lang?